So I guess these people found a drone stuck in a tree.
It's been up there for at least 4 hours.
Which reveals
And if you see it,
some sort of like oval shape.
I think it's just the.
I've never seen a drone like that.
What the fuck? I'm gonna take one of these images and analyze it in
It's got a spotlight on it.
a forensics identifier.
Inside. What is going on right now?
What is it doing?
It's those drones I've been seeing in New Jersey, Bayside, New Jersey,
It doesn't.
Ocean Township. Here we go, baby. Look at this thing. I don't know what it's doing.
What the hell?
Cops just got here. Later.
Okay, I'm gonna go back.
Something like that.
I'm going to grab a photo of this. We're going to open forensics, drop that in. I'm just kind of curious what this does. Air level, I mean, it all looks fine. Yeah. Okay. It looks like there is light emanating from the outside of it inward. Weird. I wonder if there's anything like emanating from it, or that was just like hail or like mist in the picture. Yeah, I mean, I can't. That must have just been mist in the picture. I'm just confused by this oval form. And why that kept going back and forth. Like, this is just weird.